if you could make your money work for you instead of just working for money? And no, there comes not a course offer. Imagine being in control of your financial future, building wealth, and reaching your dreams. Investing isn't just for the rich. It's a game anyone can play. But to win, you need the right mindset, patience, and a plan. In this video, we'll walk you through the keys to smart investing, from avoiding emotional pitfalls to making time your greatest asset. Let's get started.
Perfect.
In a previous video, we talked about the formula for financial happiness. We covered budgeting and how to allocate your income effectively. But what about the money you're able to save? That's where saving and investing come in. The idea is to make sure you're not just spending less, but also setting aside money that can grow. By focusing on three main areas, short-term, mid-term, and long-term savings, you're setting yourself up for financial security at every stage of life. So first, let's talk about short-term savings. This is your safety net, the money you can access quickly if something unexpected happens. A good rule of thumb is to save enough to cover 2 to 3 months of expenses. Think of it as your emergency fund. This should be money kept in a safe, easy-to-access place, like a savings account. The goal is not to make huge returns, but to have funds you can tap into without penalty or delay. Short-term savings are about security, not growth. But once you've built up a solid emergency fund, you can start putting extra money towards mid- and long-term goals. Next, let's move to mid-term savings, which are often for goals you want to reach within 3 to 5 years. This might be saving for a vacation, buying a car, or building a larger emergency fund. Here, you want to start considering options that allow for a bit of growth. Options like investing in stocks or ETFs. A popular way to start is with an ETF savings plan. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, allow you to invest in a diversified selection of stocks or bonds, which helps to spread out risk. You don't need to pick individual stocks, and many ETFs have relatively low fees, which makes them attractive for beginners. This type of investing is also fairly flexible. You can set up automatic monthly contributions, which is great for building your investments over time. Crypto is another option for midterm or even long-term goals, though it comes with higher risks. Cryptocurrencies can see big swings in value, so it's important to invest only what you're willing to lose. Some people see crypto as a way to diversify their portfolio, but make sure it's not the core of your investment strategy. Plus, long-term investments are about building wealth and preparing for the future, whether it's buying a home or retiring comfortably. Long-term investing benefits from compound interest, where you earn returns on your returns over time. This is where stocks, ETFs, and retirement funds play a key role. Stocks can be a great long-term investment if you're willing to ride out market ups and downs. Diversifying across different types of investments like ETFs and bonds can help balance your portfolio. Many people start with index funds or ETFs that track the overall market, which reduces the need to pick specific stocks. For retirement, some countries offer tax-advantaged retirement accounts that allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred. If you have access to these options, consider taking advantage of them. And the earlier you start, the better. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over decades. Now, let's talk about 2 major factors that can make or break your investment success: emotions and time. Emotions play a huge role in investing. When the market goes down, fear can cause people to panic and sell at a loss. And when it goes up, greed can lead to overconfidence and risky decisions. It's important to remember that the market naturally has highs and lows. Avoid making emotional decisions and stick to your long-term plan. One way to keep emotions in check is by regularly investing a set amount, regardless of market conditions. This is called dollar-cost averaging, and it helps you build wealth gradually without trying to time the market. Remember, successful investing requires discipline. Stay calm during market fluctuations. Focus on your goals and try not to let emotions dictate your financial choices. Time is one of your biggest assets when it comes to investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over decades. Compounding means that the returns on your investments generate their own returns, creating a snowball effect that accelerates growth over time. The takeaway? Start early, even if it's just with a small amount. The longer your money is invested, the more potential it has to grow. And if you're already investing, consider increasing your contributions when possible to maximize the power of time. To build a strong financial foundation, think of your money in 3 layers: short-term savings for emergencies, mid-term investments for upcoming goals, and long-term investments for the future. Balancing these layers, controlling emotions, and making the most of time can help you reach financial security. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the earlier you start, the better the results. Have you begun your investment journey? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more tips on saving and investing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. See you soon.